Las Vegas. John Rich here. We're out here at the construction site today. We're gonna do a time lapse of the sunrise.
Here's the stadium on Tuesday, January 8th, 2019. Early in the morning, you can see they're adding new girders to go around the whole stadium. It's starting to come together, the whole oval. As you can see, they are just working really hard to get this done for September 2020. We're only a year and a half away, and this is where it's located. It's right next to I-15. So here's some windows on one of the sides and the new girders coming in. As you can see, the tall girders there, they'll be putting ones on the other side that'll fit that height. So it has to be done by September 2020. It's looking good, looking on track.
Catching the sunrise here in Vegas at Raider Stadium.
So this was early in the morning, right after the sunrise. It's just beautiful seeing all the cranes and the sunrise. It's really quite a sight to see. I mean, those cranes are huge. When you're there in person, they're like huge. And now look at, they installed this elevator to go up to the stadium because it's hard to go up and down now. So look at that, they actually had to install an elevator for the workers to get up and down while they're working. So that was a new addition this week, so that was really interesting. That's on the front side facing towards the strip, and that's a new elevator. And every time you go down there, there's just so many guys working because they are on a tight schedule. It should have taken 5 years, and they had to crunch it into 3 years. So this is a project that they are just flying through here, and it's looking good. You always see everyone working hard. No one's ever standing around. They really have a nice crew here, and it's beautiful if you go in the early morning. It's great to catch the sunrise and see the stadium. If you live in Las Vegas, go check it out. It's beautiful. Once in a lifetime here, folks. So here's the crew. They had to install the fences to keep them safe because they're going up so many levels now. So look at that. You're starting to see all the levels coming together. It doesn't seem as big as it is when you go in person. It's really a huge stadium. And all of these cranes and tractors are just some of the biggest ones in the world. You can really see all the concrete coming in now and all the girders. This is from if you were on Dean Martin, right below Hacienda. There's an overpass, and then if you go right below there, and then this is a Dean Martin.
Tuesday, January 8th, 2019, CE.